Today I'm going to whip up a quick and easy curry chicken breast. Stay tuned. So guys, this is my chicken breast. I didn't season it yet because I wanted to show you guys everything I'm doing. Traditionally in Jamaica, we would use a whole chicken for curry chicken because the bone is more flavorful, but my kids don't like bones, so we're having curry chicken breast today. And I have some lime here to wash and clean the chicken. I have my green seasoning, which makes it easier on a weeknight to prepare a nice meal. I'll attach the link to my green seasoning. I'm using this curry powder. I think it's the best. You can order it off Amazon if you like. Black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder. I have a little water, vegetable oil, salt to taste, pimento berries, fresh garlic, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get this chicken going here. So this is what it looks like. Okay. These are pretty thick. So basically I'm just going to cut it down like this. Okay guys, I'm not going to go in with all my curry powder because I'm going to add some to the oil before I cook the meat. So I'm just going to go in with half a tablespoon for now. And my all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, my green seasoning. I'm going to cut up my hot pepper. Again, if you're afraid of the heat, don't let the seed get in, okay? Just going to use a little piece of this because the kids have to eat it. Right, that much. Okay, so that's, and a little bit of salt, not too much. I'm going to rub for an hour. I'm going to cover it and let it sit for an hour. Okay, stay tuned. Let's get the chicken started here. I have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in my pot. I'm going to go with my garlic. Add another half a tablespoon of curry. And this is what we mean when we say that we're burning the curry. You're not literally going to let the curry burn up, but you want the curry to cook a little bit in the oil. So the curry changes color. See that? Now you can add your chicken. Add my pimento berries. I'm just going to stir it to combine. Don't add any water or anything at this point. You're just going to cover your pot and allow the chicken to cook. Okay? Stay tuned, guys. So the bowl that I seasoned the meat in, I'm just going to add 1 cup of water to it, okay, to help cook the chicken down into a nice gravy. So I'm going to add some thyme. I'm going to add my Scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit more of my green seasoning. Mixed up that water into the bowl that you season the meat in and just pour it all over the chicken. This is to make your gravy, okay? And I'm going to cover this and let it cook down nice and slow for another 10 minutes, okay? Stay tuned. Goodness. Look at that, it looks yummy. Okay guys, I didn't taste it yet or anything. So, this is where you taste the pot. It's pretty good. Excuse me. I think I put too much pepper in there, but the kids are used to the pepper. Curry chicken needs pepper. Just going to sprinkle a little salt to taste. And at this point, I'm going to leave the lid off so it could, because you know when the pot is covered, it's spraying water. So I'm going to leave the lid off so this could dry down into a nice gravy. Okay? Stay tuned. Looking good. Here it is, guys. It's all completed. My curry chicken breast. I'm going to garnish it with some green onions. That's optional. And you can serve this with rice, dumplings, whatever you choose. I will put everything in the description box. And if you guys try this easy, tasty recipe, please let me know. Until next time, I thank you guys for watching. Be kind to others. One love. A little piece for you guys. I'll find a little piece. Okay. Look at that, guys. Just cut right open. Mmm. It's hot. Very delicious.